Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes?
Yeah, this is John from the front desk. It
Mhm.
appears we have a situation going on at the motel right now.
Mhm.
Okay, what is actually happening is I just received a call from Animal Control, and they had let me know
Mhm.
that about 2 blocks north of us, 10 minutes ago, there was a bit of an accident, and from what they had said, the truck involved was transporting 12 bulls for the rodeo this week, ma'am. And
Mhm.
unfortunately, when the accident occurred, the bulls were able to escape.
Mhm.
So at the present time, we are under a bit of a watch because they do believe them to be stampeding towards the motel at the present time. So we are going to
Okay.
need you to take a couple of precautionary measures, ma'am.
Mhm.
Okay, is there anyone else in the room with you?
Yes.
Okay. Who else is in there?
It's four other people. Well, five other
Or
people.
are there 5 other
Yeah.
people in there?
Yes. They
That's
just
a lot
over
of
for
people.
a minute. They're leaving.
Yeah, that's fine. Actually, we're going to have them stay, though, because, if someone were to get hurt on the premises, it would be an issue with a corporate.
Okay.
So if you can have them stay in the room for the time being, the first thing I'm going to need you to do, just go ahead, lock your door, and come back to the phone.
You said lock the door. Okay, hold on just a
Yeah.
second.
No, we've heard you talk before, Joey, but you've never done a call.
Hello.
Yes.
I locked it.
Okay, ma'am. The next thing I'm going to need you to do is you're going to need to go ahead flip the mattress up against the window. The reason
Uh huh.
behind this, from what Animal Control had explained, is in previous incidents where they've had bulls in residential areas, they're extremely prone to jump through the window. So we're going to want to get
Okay.
that covered up. Go ahead, do that, and come back.
Okay, hold on just a second.
Still haven't answered my question, Joey. You hear like BET bumping in the background. Bullshit. You only get purple.
Hello.
Yes. Did you get
Yes,
the
you
window
want both of the
covered?
mattresses?
Yeah, you're going to want to put the mattress and the box spring in. If you have another bed, put that mattress up there as well.
Okay, mattress and box spring and both of the beds. Both of the beds.
Okay, let me know when you've taken that step.
Okay, we putting one bed against there so far. We got to get the other one.
Okay. Baby in there too?
Huh?
Do you have a baby in there as well, ma'am?
Yeah, I have. That's the four people. It's two children and two adults.
I gotcha. Okay. I gotcha. Have you gotten the mattresses up?
Yeah, we got them up.
Okay, wonderful. The next thing I'm going to need from you, ma'am, is we're going to need to try and barricade that door.
Okay.
Do you have, maybe a desk in there, the chairs, just anything you can get in front of that door? We're going to want to try and do that.
Okay. Hold on just a second.
Okay. So what else should they do? Buy them. But anyone have any suggestions where we should go with this? Yeah, they get pretty pricey for those fucking names. They're pretty nice looking. They're big.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we barricaded the door.
Okay, wonderful. From what they're saying, it appears the bulls are pretty close.
Okay.
So what we're gonna need you to do, ma'am, is when was the last time you used the restroom?
I just used the bathroom just a few minutes ago, actually.
Okay. Well, what we're gonna need is some urine or some feces from someone in that room, and what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go ahead and, if you could spread that on the barricade.
Some yarn.
What was that?
Huh? What did you say?
You're gonna need urine or feces, ma'am, not yarn.
Urine or feces at the door?
Feces. Yeah, you're going to want to go ahead and rub it onto the barricade, because from what animal control is telling me is the bulls are extremely sensitive to human urine or feces, and that'll greatly deter them.
Okay. Somebody's going to have to pee and wipe it on the door. Don't pee over there on the door. Get a cup and pee in the cup, and then...
No, it's fine. You can just go straight to the door, ma'am, if you just want to urinate right on into it.
Okay, just urinate right on the door.
Yeah, it'll work just fine.
Is this a joke?
No, ma'am, this is not a joke. I actually have one of the animal control specialists here, if you'd like to speak with him.
No, it's okay. It's just...
Okay, I understand this may seem a bit strange, but we are just trying to ensure your safety, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, have you urinated on the door, ma'am?
She about to.
Oh, she about to? Okay. Let me know when that step's taken.
Hurry up, Ma. Yep, around the door, like around the entrance. On both sides. Yep. Okay, we did it.
Okay, wonderful. Was it just one person?
Huh?
How many people
How many people what?
urinated?
One person.
Just one person? Okay, is there any way we can get someone else? If we can get some feces, that would be superb. Possibly if one of the babies has a dirty diaper on one of the babies.
No, they potty trained.
Okay. Yeah, once again, we're going to need you to go ahead. We're going to need feces. This is quite critical.
It's quite critical.
Okay.
We need feces.
Can anyone produce said feces?
Yes, we trying now.
Okay. Let me know when you have procured the feces, ma'am.
Okay. We cannot get no feces.
Okay, ma'am. If that is the case, okay, we are going to have to proceed to drastic measures here. Do you have any gentlemen in the room, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Well, what we're going to need is either some sort of seminal fluid or vaginal fluid to be spread on the door as well.
Like, we need
Does that make sense?
Or some semen.
Okay, once again, I understand this sounds odd, but from what animal control has told me, these are extremely effective in deterring the bulls. Okay,
well,
is there any way, can you produce any semen or vaginal fluid, ma'am?
We got the feces.
Okay,
Hello?
wonderful, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, what we're going to need you to do, if you can get the feces, you're going to want to go ahead and spread it on the door.
Okay.
Okay, just go ahead, spread it around, try and get it in the cracks the best
Spread
you
it all
can.
over the door.
Yeah, exactly. Let me know when you've done that.
Wow, we really left for home. Wow. Think we should have stayed at the dad's end, huh? Okay, we wiped it on the door.
Okay, how much would you say it was?
It was like a
Full
whole
ball.
turd.
Okay.
Huh?
Wonderful, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to go ahead and transfer you to the animal control specialist. He has a few more steps for you, okay, ma'am? Just a
Okay.
moment.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hi, this is Michael Weston, the animal control specialist. Have you done all the steps that I've told the front desk employee to do?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Hold on. There's a few more steps, and then we should be good to go. Have you gotten the vaginal fluid on the barricade?
No, we didn't do the vaginal fluid. We just did the urine and the feces.
Oh, boy. Ma'am, this yes, we're
Like, so
going
just
to.
stick your hand up there, just wipe it on there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you want to stick your hand up your kuka. How am I do that? I can't do it. Okay. Huh? Okay, we doing that now.
It's on there now, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. What do you have? What have you used to barricade the door? I wasn't really
It's a
told yet.
desk, a chair, and a table.
Okay, very good. Hold on one second. There's a couple pages of this. Okay, ma'am. Do you have coffee in the room, ma'am?
Yes, we have coffee.
Okay. Can you please put the coffee pot on and start making coffee? They're very deterred by that smell. They're not a big fan of it.
Okay, we about to start making coffee now.
Okay.
Okay. And anything else?
Hold on one second. Ma'am, do you know how know how an ape procreates? The biggest the ape, the common ape, like a chimpanzee.
No, we do not have no chimpanzees.
Okay, the best thing to do, because that's the bull's natural enemy is chimpanzee. So can you please do your best to mimic a monkey?
Okay.
And just like scream, pretty much, and they should just dart away after that.
Okay.
And just do that in for about 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Somebody gotta act like a chimpanzee for 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am. And after you're done, return to the phone, and we'll see how it is.
Yeah. Is there anything else we need to do?
Excuse me, ma'am?
I said, is there anything else we need to do?
Can you both please do this, ma'am?
It's 2 people already doing it.
There's the more the better. The more audible it is, the more chances of them running away.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hi. Are you participating in this as well, ma'am?
Yes.
We need every person in the room participating in this to fully scare them off.
Okay. So we're making the coffee. They're acting like the chimpanzee. Anything else?
Hold on one moment, ma'am.
This is serious, huh?
Is the coffee made yet, or is it still boiling?
I can't hear you.
Is the coffee made yet?
It's blowing now. It's going through now.
As soon as it's done, please tell me. Until then, can you please help your comrades over there?
Okay.
Thank you.
I mean, this is really serious.
Yes, ma'am. I wish it wasn't.
Okay. Come on, Aisha. Okay, the coffee is more than half done. It should be done shortly.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, if you put up a bang
Yeah.
on the wall, well, this is wonderful. If you just have a bang on the walls
You
while
gotta come
making
and get this.
sound.
I can't hear him. Huh?
Have them bang on the walls while doing the monkey sounds,
Hello?
ma'am. Impaired. Okay,
What'd you say?
you're gonna need to bang on the walls while doing the monkey
Bang on
sounds.
the
ma'am.
wall.
Yeah, continue, please. Hurry.
What did it say? Break the wall.
That's fine, ma'am.
Okay, the coffee's done.
Tell them, tell me instructions.
Okay, the coffee's
Okay,
done.
ma'am, if the coffee's finished.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Okay, can you please get the coffee
Uh-huh.
and remove the barricade slightly? Open the
Remove
door.
it what?
Remove the barricade slightly and open the door. And continue making the noise and sort of like a circle, a semicircle. Pour the coffee on the ground. This will ward them off.
To water them off? Okay, hold
Yes.
on just a second. Somebody got to slightly move the barricade, trickle the coffee outside the door while we're still banging on the wall and acting like monkeys. You got to go out there, open the door a little bit, trickle the coffee out there to ward them away, and we got to keep acting like loud and banging on the wall. What is it? Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you want us to pour all the coffee out there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pour it all. To ward away the blues? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, there's somebody in the hallway asking about what are we doing.
Really?
Tell them to get in your room, ma'am. Get them in the room right now. Tell them they need to get in your room.
Did they go in their room? She said some dudes in the hallway and she, whatever, that ain't me.
You need them in the hallway.
Huh?
Okay, ma'am, if you could go ahead, continue the banging and the monkey noises. It's helping.
Okay, keep the banging, close the door. Hello?
Close that door, ma'am. Continue the banging.
Okay, continue the banging. Is there a phone with everybody in the hotel?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Continue. Ma'am, you need to continue. This is imperative.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, you're going to need to go all out, okay? You're going to need to take it up a couple notches.
They're right in
We're
front
going to
of
need
you.
a loud.
Take it up a
Just
couple
make sure
notches.
that you get them to do this really loud.
Yeah, ain't no speakerphone on this phone because holding the phone and doing this ain't working.
Ma'am, just set the phone down. Set it down and scream as loud as you can.
All right, hold on. He said set the phone down and scream about it.
It's United 93.
Oh, Jesus.
This is going on the recordings.
This is why you stick.
Should we 96 Rockies?
This is why you stick around.
I think this should be a 96 Rock thing. Want to give it a try?
Do it.
Alright, man. I can't really do it too well. I'll forget.
Let me see if I can get some music. Damn, they are going fucking ape
Hello?
shit. Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. You're doing wonderful, ma'am. It's working wonderfully. I'm going to go ahead and transfer you back to the animal control specialist. Just a moment, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am?
Yeah, somebody's at the door.
Somebody said, get him in your room as quickly as possible, ma'am. He does not know.
Get him in here?
Yes.
Get him in here?
Yes.
Yes, pull him in the room right now, ma'am. Please, hurry.
Tell him his
Right
life is in
now.
danger.
Yeah, right now. Oh my God, this is... You gotta get in now. Get in. Jesus, fuck you. He said you gotta come in here now. Hello?
Yes, ma'am? Is he
He
in the
didn't
room?
want to come in.
He didn't want to come
Ma'am,
in.
you need to
Oh,
force him.
Huh?
yes,
You need
drag
to
him
force
in the
him.
room.
Huh?
You need to force him, ma'am. It's for his safety. Tell him he needs to get in the room right now.
He walked away and went back in his room already.
Okay, ma'am. That is fine. Okay, go ahead. Continue the monkey noises.
Okay, community the monkey noises and begging. It seems like we're the only person doing this. It
Yes,
do.
ma'am. There are a few people, like a couple steps behind you at this moment.
Okay. He said keep doing it. Oh my God. don't know. Hello, just keep doing it. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, there seems to be an echo here. Are you continuing, ma'am?
Yes, we're tired. Like, I mean, it seems like we're the only ones doing this. Like, is this a joke or something for real?
No, ma'am. This is not a joke. You can stop the monkey noises for now. Now, they have passed us, but it seems that they're turning around. Their curiosity is getting the better of them. You did pour the coffee out on the floor, correct?
Huh?
You did pour the coffee out on the floor in front?
Yes.
Was it hot when you did it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Do you
Would you
have...
want grades out there?
But I know this sounds ridiculous. Do you have any sort of illegal narcotics such as marijuana?
No, we don't have no marijuana.
We need something. Do you have any sort of vegetations, ma'am?
What's vegetation? Like what? Not explaining.
Like plants, like cigarettes or anything?
We don't have no... No, we don't have none of that.
Are you sure, ma'am? No cigarettes
I'm
whatsoever?
Sure. Huh? Hello?
Who is that in the background, ma'am?
It's somebody that's getting angry because they're tired and it don't even sound right. It don't even, you know.
Whoever's mad, can I please talk to them, sir? Or ma'am?
Keith, calm down because he want to know why you get mad. Hello?
Yes, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Yes.
You do not have any sort of plants or anything. Even fake ones would do.
Huh? Somebody, y'all is bullshitting because we just called the front desk.
Okay, ma'am. This is DJ John Hilson with 96 Rock Radio. You just won yourself $1,000. How's it feel, ma'am? Ma'am, you just won yourself $1,000.
You think we care about $1,000 fucking dollars and my baby being here and we scared?
Ma'am, calm down. Okay, you just won $1,000. You won $1,000 with 96
wow,
Radio.
Do you think we care about fucking $1,000?
Yeah, nigga.
So how's it feel?
What?
How's it feel, ma'am?
No, it doesn't feel good.
Doesn't feel good. Why not? You just won $1,000.
Huh?
Where the fuck they
It don't matter.
Where the fuck they at?
We're not in the motel. We're at the radio station. Okay, so you can tell him to calm down. Okay. Tell him to calm down.
Oh my God, he's just talking about calm down, calm down. This is not
Okay,
funny.
you just won $1,000.
Seriously,
It's $1,000,
it
man.
matter. It
$1,000.
don't matter. It's still, I have fucking
Well,
children
you know-
in this room, and I'm fucking sick about my fucking children, and you think this shit is a fucking joke? Nigga, I'm not white. I'm come down here and beat the fucking fuck out of your ass, nigga.
Reel it in, you crazed ape! Reel it in, okay?
Give me the phone.
You fucking ape.
The phone.
Yeah, give him the phone. You.
Where were you at, bro?
Where you at? Be at the radio station. 96
Man, I
Rock.
don't give a fuck. I don't care.
Well, you just
You
won
don't understand what the fuck I just did?
Care.
No, it ain't no fucking calming down, nothing. Do
Why are
you
you
fucking
sad?
understand what I just fucking did? I swear to fucking God, you better not hope I find you. I swear to fucking God. If you in this hotel, I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. I don't care about no money, no none of this shit. You got my niece and nephew in here crying and shit. Do you think that shit is a fucking joke? No, the fuck it ain't, nigga. No, the fuck it's not, bro.
Nigga,
No,
calm
fuck
down,
that. Tell me where you at.
Throw your ass. Throw your roll, nigga.
No, nigga, where the fuck you at?
Like a man. Okay, we're gonna
Where you
handle
at?
this.
free.
I'm at the fucking radio station.
Come on.
I don't this shit, man.
Listen to me. Would you be interested in winning another $1,000?
No, I will not be interested in winning another fucking bitch-ass $1,000.
You
No!
don't bills to pay. You don't got go crack to buy. No child
Wow,
support.
dog.
Seriously?
This nigga's pissed. Why you so pissed, nigga?
I'm not
You know,
a
we
nigga,
brought
first
you
of all.
back to your, your original state.
Yep.
You know you came from a monkey. We were just letting you know, go back to your primal instincts. Aping around up in there.
Come on, you just won $1,000. How pissed can you be?
You can buy 1,000 bottles of grape soda. Or 1,000
yeah.
watermelons.
Buy some Faygo.
Hello?
Fried chicken.
Hello.
I hope you're happy because you've been on the phone with us so fucking long that the police traced your car and they coming to your dumb ass.
Yeah. I'm in Africa, right?
It don't matter. I don't give a fuck if you was in Zimbabwe, whatever you at. I don't care.
Well,
I don't
here's the
care.
thing, is the police, they don't have jurisdiction outside of the United States. So, yeah, there's that. Is there anything else?
Have fun.
Yeah, nigga.
Want us to connect you with the
Have fun getting ass raped, bitch.